and last night was very productive. I built 3 applications in last one night. The first application is about screen recording. You record any screen. So whenever you open your laptop, you record any screen for anything you want to share it with your colleague, office, or for teaching purpose or anything. It gets saved to your folder, just like your Word doc file or any file you save. So once you record this recording, it immediately pushes it to your YouTube channel. So once first time you have to log into YouTube channel, it will start in the background, save it into YouTube and give you the link. It will give you the notification that particular video you just saved has been pushed to YouTube and this is the link. So you can copy the link. You don't need to log in again and again to YouTube and all. Same happens with your voice records. Your voice records get saved just like voice notes on your WhatsApp that you send across to other person. You can send the link and you can share this link via email. Why do we need to waste time on writing emails? You can simply record and you get the link and you share the link by email, by SMS, by WhatsApp, anywhere. It saves into your YouTube account always as a CDN link, basically the cloud link. So you can even refer like 3 years back, what did you tell that person, right? So video, screen share videos, and YouTube works as a cloud for that, right? It's a whole lot of big inventory and you don't need to pay anything to YouTube, of course, right? And what happens is that once the link gets generated, it will be the unlisted mode. That means only the people you share the link, they can only see that video or the voice record, not anyone. So if someone visits your YouTube channel, they cannot see it because it's not public, it's unlisted. So these are the 2 applications that I built, and the third application is the Python book that I created from various notes I saved, handwritten notes and some of the notes I saved in one folder, and I created that as a big book. And as you can see here, so this is the Python v3 and cheat sheet. I'm going to launch it on Instagram campaigns. The Python v3 book of 1200 pages is worth, it's PDF, online PDF basically, and there are some minor issues. I will fine tune it, and then you can buy it in 300-400 rupees, and the cheat sheet as well. And these are the recordings. So immediately when the recording gets saved into the desktop folder, they get uploaded onto the YouTube channel. And every YouTube video has a different title by default as an inherent logic and the description basically. So these 2 apps and this book is going to be launched. And yeah, this screen, as you can see, if I open the new tab, then it changes the shlokas of Gita, and it's interesting as well. But yeah, anyway, so these are the 3 apps, and you can save a lot of money due to this, because if you see, I mean, there are like 10-15 applications, as I know, for screen recording. If you record the screen after 10 videos, they ask you the money after free trial, and then the business, and if you want the paid version, then it is like for $15 for a month and then $20. And there are other applications like this Monavi, and they charge you like 1600-1700 per month. So this is going to save you a lot of money, and I'm going to launch it globally for anyone who wants to use it free of cost. Right. This is very interesting, and it was very productive, and I'm quite happy to share it with you. So you can also share it with someone if you want to, and they can start using this application. I'm going to launch it in the next 2 days for public beta version.